Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, I am going to tell you about how to study bachelors in Germany. What are the different process? There are three different ways to study in Germany. If you have just finished your schooling in India, if you have just passed class 12th and you are planning to study bachelor in Germany, so there are three different ways. First method is called student colleague, which is very popular among Indians. Because Indian school system is of 12 years, you are already aware. In Germany, school system is 13 years. So in order to bridge 1 year gap, you must study student colleague. It's a bridge course. And the bridge course has the same stream, same subjects that you are going to study in Germany. And the medium is Deutsch. Suppose you want to study medicine, which is called MBBS in India. So you have to choose M course. If you are studying engineering, the course is different. So these are different courses: M course, I course, N course, T course. So it depends upon your stream, your course, which course you want to pursue further in Germany. So in that particular stream subject you are being taught in the student colleague. This is first option and the first way. Second way, you can further study first year in college. After finishing your class 12th, you can take admission in any of the college in India and complete your first year. Like if it's semester system, then two semesters, and wait for the mark sheet. After getting the mark sheet or grades, attach that grade or mark sheet along with other documents and submit your application in the university, respective university where you want to study. This is second method. Third and the last method is, if you are an engineering student, you can appear for IIT entrance examination, and there is a particular rank that is required by the university. Okay, so if you have that particular rank, if you fulfill the criteria, so you can provide the certificate of your ranking to the German university, and you can take direct admission in German university for bachelor program. So these are three different ways. I hope you might like one of these ways. You might find it suitable for yourself. If you are also looking for bachelor studies in Germany and still there is any question or query, you can write to me. My email address you can find below in the description. For any other suggestion, you can write in the comment box. Thanks for watching. I wish you all a lot of good luck. Best Grüße. Bye bye. Take care.